Hello and welcome to Apex Signals Market Outlook for February 16th. In front of you I have the economic calendar, and you can see we've got quite a bit going on during the day. Probably nothing earth-shattering, but we have employment numbers coming out of Australia. We have building permits, the Philadelphia Fed Manufacturing Index, unemployment claims all coming out of America, and retail sales coming out of New Zealand. In the silver markets, we initially fell during the day on Wednesday, but you can see that it looks like we're trying to build up enough pressure to finally break the psychologically important $18 level. Also of interest is the 200, 150-day exponential moving average is looking ready to cross. That's always a longer-term buy signal. Here in the DAX, we tried to rally, but I think we need to pull back a little bit to build up enough pressure to go higher. Somewhere near 11,650 euros should be plenty of support. I think any type of bounce between here and there is an attempt to finally break out to fresh new highs. So over here in the FTSE 100, you can see we're a little exhausted, but after this move, that's not a surprise. I think 7,200 is the floor in the market, but quite frankly, I think 7,250 will offer enough support that buyers will enter somewhere in that area as we try to break out to highs yet again. Thank you for watching, and see you again tomorrow.